Do you want to grow your own organic vegetables? Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing your produce from seed to plate, all while bolstering your health and caring for our environment. If so, you're in the right place. We have 7 strategies lined up to help you get started. Our first strategy is all about location. A successful organic garden starts with the right spot. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, soil quality, and water accessibility. Remember, plants love the sun, thrive on rich soil, and need easy access to water. Getting the location right is the first step towards a successful organic garden. Next, let's talk about plant selection. It's crucial to select plants that thrive in your local climate and soil type. Plants that love your environment naturally flourish. Remember, a happy plant equals a happy gardener. Choosing the right plants can make or break your gardening experience. Now, on to the third strategy, using organic fertilizers. These earth-friendly options enrich your soil, offering vital nutrients to your plants. They foster growth while preserving the environment. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. Organic fertilizers are a crucial part of any organic garden. The fourth strategy is practicing crop rotation. This clever gardening tactic can help prevent soil depletion, keeping your ground fertile and ready for new growth. Plus, it's a natural way to reduce pest and disease problems. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective strategy for maintaining a healthy organic garden. Our fifth strategy involves natural pest control. Embrace beneficial insects to keep harmful ones at bay. Companion planting can also deter pests. These organic methods ensure a thriving garden. Remember, natural pest control is essential for keeping your garden organic and healthy. The sixth strategy is to harvest at the right time. Timing is critical in ensuring your vegetables have the best taste and the highest nutritional content. Remember, the goal of organic gardening is quality, not quantity. Harvesting at the right time maximizes the benefits of your organic garden. Finally, the last strategy is to practice patience. Organic gardening is not an overnight success story. It's a journey that requires time, dedication, and a good deal of patience. Keep nurturing, keep learning, keep growing. Patience is the key to a successful organic garden. To recap, we've shared 7 strategies for growing organic vegetables. From selecting the right location to practicing patience, these techniques are essential in cultivating a thriving garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!